Welcome to Step 1, Basics. This is where you'll give your AI short its name, describe what it does, and set up pricing. Think of this as creating the foundation. Everything else builds on what you set up here. Let's get started. Before we begin, let me clarify what an AI short is. An AI short is a task-specific AI agent. You develop agents using AI agent builders like N8N, Make.com, or other automation platforms. When you connect your pre-built AI agent to our marketplace, it becomes what we call an AI short. That's our branding term for these specialized AI tools. First, you'll see the AI short details section. Let me walk you through each field. Start with the AI short name. This is what buyers see when browsing. Make it clear and specific. Instead of a generic name like SEO tool, choose something descriptive, such as Google Autocomplete Keyword Finder. Next is short pitch, your one-sentence elevator pitch. It should be compelling and explain the value. For example, get 10 real Google Autocomplete keyword suggestions instantly. Simple, fast, accurate. Select platform or marketplace. Select the one that best matches where your tool operates. Pick a category to help buyers find your AI short. Choose the category that best describes what your AI short does. Set your price in US dollars. This is a one-time purchase price. For example, $29.99 means buyers pay once to use your AI short. You'll see your earnings calculated automatically. You keep 70% after our 30% platform fee. Runs allowed per purchase is how many times a buyer can run your AI short with one purchase. The default is 1. If you set it to 3, they can run it 3 times. This only applies to paid AI shorts. Free AI shorts have unlimited runs. If your price is greater than $1, you'll see free trial runs. Set it to 0 to disable or 1 to 2 to let buyers test first. For example, setting it to 1 gives buyers 1 free run before purchase. Offer monthly subscription. Buyers can subscribe on a monthly basis. Set a monthly price in US dollars and the number of runs buyers can use per month. Buyers can cancel anytime. Finally, there's a cover image, the banner buyers see when browsing the AI Shorts page. Click to the upload or drag and drop. That's step 1. You've set up the basics: name, description, platform, category, pricing, and a cover image.